This week we bring you the Texas political roundup from the nation's capital, where the Lone Star State stayed in the headlines. Starting here on Capitol Hill, when U.S. Senator Ted Cruz joined Texas Governor Greg Abbott to unveil new legislative proposals to curb Syrian refugees from entering the country. Cruz, the junior senator from Texas and a GOP presidential contender, laid out a handful of bills Tuesday, among them one that would allow states to opt out of accepting some refugees. Abbott is one of more than 30 governors who have refused to accept Syrian refugees following last month's deadly Paris attacks, citing concerns with the nation's ability to vet refugees for potential terrorists. In the U.S. House, lawmakers voted to strengthen the visa waiver program by denying access to people who have connections to terrorist hotspots. H.R. 158 would refuse travel for those who are nationals of or have visited Iraq, Syria, and other countries with significant terrorist activity in the past 5 years, even if they have a Western passport. The measure passed the House on Tuesday by a wide margin.
I think it was bipartisan. It passed overwhelmingly. And I think people on both sides of the aisle have identified this as a big security gap, security weakness in our program, and needs to be fixed.
And here at the U.S. Supreme Court, the justices heard arguments on the University of Texas at Austin's admissions procedures, specifically whether race should play a factor in an applicant's evaluation. Abigail Fisher sued the university after she was rejected from UT Austin in 2008, arguing that she was treated unfairly because she's white. The High Court's decision is expected sometime next year. Passions were high outside the courthouse Wednesday. Some fear the ruling could altogether end affirmative action, the practice of using race as a factor in admissions. For the latest on the Texas redistricting case, also heard here at the U.S. Supreme Court this week, visit us online at texastribune.org. I'm Alana Rocha reporting in Washington, D.C.